Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to practically verify superposition theorem. So before verification, let us try to know the primary equipment what we require. This is a kit, a T network for the measurement of superposition theorem, and here the concept of superposition theorem is, so here we are going to have three circuit diagrams. First we will try to construct this circuit diagram with two sources at port 1 as well as at port 2. Here at input port is excited and output port is short circuited. The next circuit diagram, output port is activated and input port is short circuited. This way of position 1 and position 2 is called superpositioning. That's why the theorem is called superpositioning. Now let us try to do the experiment. So here before to turn on you require an regulated power supply. So this is called regulated power supply. So this is the T network what is provided. So the resistance of the series arm is 1 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm, and this is of 500 ohm. So this is the input port where we call it as V1 voltage and current of I1. This output port we have the input voltage of V2 and current I2. Now let us try to give the connections for this. So how to operate the RPS also you need to know. So first give the supply. Okay, so as soon as you give the supply, automatically power will be available to the regulated power supply. So how to start an RPS is, so initially you have to put the current knob in maximum position. There is a way of starting the RPS. So initially put the current in maximum position. This is an regulated power supply where it can supply a maximum current of 1 ampere. So now this is the input port, this is the output port. So now I am trying to do the experiment with source 1 activated. So take the red wire and connect to the positive terminal of the RPS and connect to this wire. So before doing this experiment you can turn off it also. So now I connected the positive to the positive of the input port and from the negative of the RPS to the next input of the port 1. Next one I am connecting the output port. So this is nothing but a output port positive are connected to the positive and to the negative of the RPS I am connecting to the output port. You see here, just I exited the input port and I exited the output port, and you can see here this is 1 kilo ohm resistor, this is a 2 kilo ohm resistor, this is a 500 ohm resistor. So an open circuit is given here to connect the ammeter. Okay, so now I am connecting the terminals of the ammeter. So this is the positive